Oh, thank you.
I don't know. Don't do that.
You can't touch this.
Why?
Unless I give it to you.
I don't know why I'm crying. Hello mga langga! Good evening! So tonight's video is mag-ano kami ni Mark. Mag-unboxing kami ng aming mga regalo sa isa't isa kasi bukas alis na kami. Pupunta kami ng Gold Coast tomorrow. Yung flight namin is 8 AM. So maaga kami bukas. So, mag-unboxing na kami kasi ayaw namin dalhin yung mga regalo namin kasi para less na sa aming baggage para kasi kung dadalhin pa namin lahat, dagdag na yun, weight, diba? So, sabi ko sa kanya, buksan na natin yung regalo natin tonight kasi excited na din akong mabuksan yung aming mga regalo. Sabi niya nga kanina pa nga yan, nag-ano sa akin. Sabi niya, buksan na natin. Sabi ko, saglit lang, maliligo muna ako. Doon pa si Mark, hinihintay ko pa siya. So, halika na, Malam. Come here. We will unbox our gifts. Are you excited? Wait lang, kunin ko muna para ilagay ko dyan sa gilid. Oh, wait lang. So, ilalagay ko yung mga regalo namin dito. Para sa akin to. Alam mo na kung ano yung para sa akin, no? Kasi si Mark yung nito, nag-wrap. So, ilagay natin yung kanya dito. Mga glitters. Kinalat ko pa. And then...
Hi. I'm here.
Hello. You want us to sit down here? Would you like to sit down? Or here?
I think you prefer me to be down there.
No.
I can tell by your eyes.
No, Lavi. What do you want? You're okay to sit down?
I'm okay to come down.
No, you can't.
Why?
Your feet.
I went for a long walk this way.
Nilalagay ko lang yung mga regalo. So, I think that's it. So, ito yung mga regalo namin sa isa't isa. Pakita ko lang sa inyo mga langga. Ayan yung aming mga regalo. Yan yung para sa akin. That's friends. And then, yan yung kay Mark. Ayan. Ito galing to kay kay Ate Ligaya. Yung client niya. That's for your... Wait lang, don't open it. And then, ito yung binigay niya sa amin. Bubuksan na talaga ni Mark. Hindi na makapag-buksan.
Thank you, Gay. That's so sweet of her.
Well, she's not watching our vlog.
Still wants to say thank you, Gay. Oh, lovely.
Yeah, chocolate.
Everyone knows I like chocolate and nuts. It's the only bad thing I eat.
So, ito buksan ko din yung para sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. I'm sure it's chocolate. Your phone? Mug.
Let's see.
Christmas mug.
Have a look.
So cute. Aw, that's so
That's sweet. That's
That's
nice.
so nice. So, yun yung binigay niya sa akin.
We'll have to send her a little text.
Yeah.
So we're
Thank you,
doing
Paul.
our presents before we go to Queensland because we're going on holiday for a couple of weeks,
Yes.
and it's probably a bit hard to take all this packaging up with us. So we thought to do the Christmas presents a bit earlier before we go, so that we can enjoy tonight because tomorrow's going to be a big day of travel. Remember, in Australia, to go from one part of the country to the other, it's like going from Manila to Singapore, Manila to Hong Kong.
Yeah.
In Australia, you can fly for 4.5 hours without stopping. It's that big. Yeah. So it's like doing a big trip in Asia, massive trip. Yeah.
Okay.
So we do the presents tonight. So first up, lovely.
Okay, wait lang.
Oh, wait, love.
Magkano muna?
If there's one word I've learned in Tagalog is wait, love.
Magpipicture muna kami. Let's do a photo first for our thumbnail. Now, Bean, hold whatever you want me to hold this and you hold that.
Right, I'm gonna hold this one with you.
No, just one. Okay, so we will start now. So, ano yung ibibigay mo?
I'm giving Diana her first big present. Here we are.
And
Oh, thank you. Diana's been touching and feeling you with me for the last week.
inaalog-alog ko
Oh my god, I need to get... What have you done here, woman?
I don't know. It's just a simple present lang.
That's your big one.
My big one? Oh!
What's that?
It's a wallet. Ito
That's
yung...
from Santa.
Ano yan? Yung Calvin Klein na wallet.
Oh.
Parang na-disappoint si Mark sa regalo ko.
Oh, that's nice. That's got a nice fabric. Oh, you went to Country Road.
Country Road, yes.
Very nice.
Thanks, love.
Does the colour suit me?
Of course.
What's your hair smell like? Is it different?
No. Maybe you smell the eucalyptus. So, ito yung binigay niya sa akin.
Lovely.
Yan. Wallet. Thanks, love. That's so sweet of you.
Well, I saw it a long time ago.
Yes.
When we were shopping, I saw you have half an eye on it, so I thought, yes. Thank you, love. I'll wear this tomorrow.
Thanks, love. Tomorrow night.
Oh, not during the day. Oh,
Christmas. Christmas Eve?
okay.
Christmas Eve dinner.
Christmas Eve dinner in... Alright!
Okay. And... No, it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to give me. I don't know what's this one.
I'm a bit nervous. I don't know what she's done here.
No, you will use that.
What is it? A drill?
No.
A hammer?
Lovely. From Boho.
Oh wait.
That's so nice. That's so cute.
It's good, isn't it? Yeah.
Ayan.
Just a little decorative thing.
Thank you.
Oh, nice. You saw me like this one, didn't you? Yes, I did. Dinosaur. Oh, that's cute, isn't it?
Well, for your new office.
Well,
What is
never certain. What? Is it certain? I can't read it on glass.
Never certain why all the other creatures insisted on going so fast. The tortoise, is that how you pronounce? The tortoise. Tortoise.
Turtles, yeah.
Preferred to wander at her own pace.
Is this going to be one new office cut now?
Yes, because I know you have very old cups there.
I like my cups, but still, this is very nice. Thank you. I'll
Look
gladly
at
do
that.
this. Nice one, new office. Very nice. Oh, thanks, sweetie. She's too excited about her present.
No.
Oh,
Well,
yeah, look.
Okay, maybe I will open this and then we'll open the last one together. Aww.
You're going to have something smelling nice.
This is nice. Kasi alam niya na mahilig ako sa candle.
Happy Christmas from Santa.
Smells so good. Ang ganda pa ng ano niya. What's that called? A gold, orange.
Actually, can you get my little Santa hat? This
Right.
last present?
Santa.
Right there. Just pass it to me.
Okay.
This is my little Santa hat.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Okay. Alright.
Is that right?
Is that right?
No,
Santa?
that's not right.
Hmm? This is little Santa hat. Well, I want you to do yours first.
Why?
Oh, I did one first. Then.
No, just give me the reason why.
No, okay, you give me yours first. I don't care.
Okay, maybe you first. Because I'm a bit nervous with the last one.
Alright.
No, I love it. It's nothing. Don't do that. You will
What's
break
this
it.
here?
Well, it's a... Can you show it to them how
Look at the wrapping of hers.
Diba? May pa-style-style pa akong nalalaman dyan.
So mine's not too...
Labi.
It's not
It's
great.
understandable.
Alright. Whoa, this is the Christmas present.
I don't know if you will like it.
Different.
Show it to them. Show it to them first.
Armane! Giorgio! Armane!
Giorgio.
Georgia, ooh. Oh. You know I need a new set. Oh, that's
You like
nice,
it?
isn't it? That's divine, isn't it?
It's just like, it's just not so strong.
Giorgio! Armane!
You have the complete set, love. So you can take this tomorrow, small one for travel.
Which one will I take?
The small for travel. That's the same smell.
I'll
It's just a small one, a travel one.
travel one. Nice. That's just...
Like, can you show it to them? It's a set. So yung binili ko kay Mark na yung last, ito na. Yung Giorgio Armani na may perfume, tapos may maliit siya na,
nice.
ano. And then ito, cream, aftershave, and then deodorant. Yan, di ba? Like it?
Thank you.
Sorry. Well, it's very hard to think.
Yeah, I'm a man with very few needs.
Yes.
This one here, a few more than me, wants and desires, but I don't really... But this is lovely. Very nice. I haven't had Giorgio Armani.
But you like it?
Thank you. Oh, that's it.
That's it?
Great night.
Give me
So,
my present.
we
What?
finished our present now, and now we got to pack up and get ready for tomorrow. So,
Love it.
what's that? You can't touch this
Why?
unless I give it to you.
Okay, give it to me.
So if I don't actually pick this up and do this, it doesn't go anywhere. It's a gift that's given,
True.
not taken.
Okay, I'm not touching it.
So what we do is we just do this.
Lovely. What's that?
Well, I hope you like it. I'm not sure. You might not. And if you don't, I understand.
That is okay.
It's okay.
Whatever you give me.
Yeah, right. Whatever you give me.
Okay.
Unusual box.
That's interesting. That's What's going on?
She's going, well, show them. So far, this is what it is. I put it in a box.
So, this is my last present.
There's no,
Ayan.
there's no
So,
brand
pag bukas
label.
ko,
There's no brand label, there's nothing.
ito yung, what's this?
Pad paper from work.
Tapos, yung papel.
That's right.
Tapos, oh my god, I think I can see it.
What's that? What's that? What can you see?
Oh my
No, what can she see? Oh my god.
It's
not-
no Foodland.
It's the food, it's some cheese from Foodland. It's some meat. It's smoked meat from Foodland. No, it's oh my god, it's an Apple Watch. It's a watch.
Oh, Bing.
You haven't even looked at it yet.
I don't know why I'm crying.
It's
Baby, you don't have to.
no, do the first one.
I know, I'm just,
You can't have a watch without a spare band.
It's a gold one.
Gold one for my darling, for my little princess. Open this up.
Wait
What?
lang.
What you got?
Oh, lovely. Because I told him I will save to buy a new watch, but a small one. I have the big one, but I like to have a small one.
Small one. Small
Well, wait lang. You gave this to me 2018. 29.
Yeah,
so 2 years.
2 years ago, yeah, maybe 3 years ago, I can't
No,
remember.
yeah. No.
I can't remember.
2017, 2018. Nakalimutan
Yeah.
ko na. Lovely.
Can you open the watch
So,
I want to make sure you like this one. You might not like it.
No. Yes.
I think you need to get a knife, do you? No?
No. This is a simple.
Yeah, it's very African.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's look at the size of it.
There's not much difference, but it is small.
Oh
actually,
my
isn't it?
god, that is so cute.
There's a lot of functionality. Now, what's the band? Come on.
The band.
The
So
band.
yung kinuha niya sa akin is the same color, rose gold. And then
So is that your sports band? Would it be your life?
yes, that's the sports
The little
band.
lifestyle band.
Where did you get this?
Apple shop in Adelaide. I had to line up and go in with a mask on. Me. I did this a couple of weeks ago. You reckon I enjoyed that?
I know that he doesn't want to go there because of the lineup, the mask going on there. Oh, I think this is low battery.
Low battery.
So yun.
Show me the
Tapos binilan pa talaga niya ako. I'm sure that this is expensive. $139.
That's more than most people spend on a watch. But you need to have one watch band for general house and whatever, maybe one for going out.
Yes. And this one is lovely.
That's beautiful, that one. Feel that. Feel the weight of that. That's
Yeah, the
beautiful.
gold one.
Yeah, that's divine. Yeah. I'm sure she'll charge it up tonight for Queensland.
Thank you so much.
That's right, love you. My pleasure. Love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
So that's it for our Christmas.
That's lovely, wasn't it? Wow.
So that's it mga langga sa aming unboxing ng aming presents. So I'm so happy na nagustuhan ni Mark yung presents ko para sa kanya. It's not that super big.
No, I don't want too big. This is bigger.
No, I meant my presents. Not so many.
No, but that's not cheap. This is not cheap. And that's not cheap.
Okay.
Yes.
I spent a bit.
You did spend a bit. That's right. So, no, I appreciate the love and the care and the thought.
Of course.
No, it's not the money you spend, it's just the thought.
Exactly. Yeah.
And one day I'll buy you a little MacBook with a print of a Mac inside of a box and just say it's the thought. I couldn't afford it, but it's the thought.
Yeah, I
So
really
okay.
like it.
Yeah,
It's
nice.
just small and light. Yeah.
I think you should charge it up.
I will.
So
You want my Apple Watch?
I would never use it. I'd use it for half an hour tonight and never put it on again. No, if I really wanted the watch, I would ask if I could borrow it, but no, I wouldn't use it
I
like
don't
that.
know. Maybe my.
We're so lucky to have each other. And the best Christmas present we had was the other day, as we said, on last week, when we got some more information from the Australian government about
Yes.
Diana's visa. It's progressing. It's progressing, so that's just unbelievable.
Yeah, it's a big present.
That was the
present
best
for
Christmas
us.
present that we could get
Yes.
to know that they're pushing it forward, it's happening. It takes a long time, 3 or 4 years, and we're halfway through it, and we got our first sort of real letter, email the other day saying, yep, we want more information. We went, yay! They want more information, which is really good. So that was great. So no, wonderful Christmas Day. We've already caught up with my family a little bit.
Yeah.
It's going to be hard on Christmas Day when we FaceTime Diana's family in Manila, because obviously this is the first time in many years we haven't been there. But we also know that there's a lot of people around the world with exactly the same problem with us. There's a lot of people in the Philippines who can't catch up with their aunties and uncles and grandmothers. So we're not the only people in the world. But it is hard, it's a bit sad, but we know it's only short term. And as long as people are fit and healthy and safe,
Yes.
that's the best thing. So
So thank you so much for watching tonight mga langga. So, yun lang yung ating vlog sa ating unboxing ng presents. Yung presents namin sa isa't isa. So, thank you so much for watching and advance Merry Christmas to everyone.
Exactly, we totally agree. Have a lovely Christmas and New Year. Take care of your family and your friends. Give everyone a hug where it's safe to do so, of course. But have a wonderful Christmas and we'll talk to you over the next couple of weeks.
We'll do the shout out maybe in Gold Coast na.
Yes, we will from up in the Gold Coast.
Yeah.
Beautiful place. We do go down to the beach and we do a lovely shout out.
Yeah, so that's it for our vlog tonight mga langga. See you next time. Bye. Good
Bye-bye.
night.